Hello everyone, welcome to Explore for More. Road trips are exciting and full of fun. To make them more safe and manageable, I'm sharing with you some preparations that needs to be done before we leave for the trip and some essential packing list which I followed on my recent trip from Pune to Kumbhalgarh. So let's start with the most important thing, the car documents. Do remember to carry with you the registration certificate, pollution under control certificate, and insurance papers of the car, along with the license and the car's manual. I went on the road trip within a month of buying my new car, Kia Sonet HTK Plus, so the physical RC had not arrived till then. So I downloaded this M Parivahan app where by entering your vehicle number you get the ERC which is at par with the original documents. This is the ERC which has all the details of the owner and the vehicle including the insurance, its validity as well as the PUCC number which you can see as not applicable in my case as my car was a new one. These are my car insurance papers. And this is the car's manual, which I carried along with me. The car's health check or the audit is very important before the road trip. Check for the tire pressure, fuel level, brakes, functional spare wheel, oil level. Also, I got the air replaced in the tires with nitrogen. I got my first service done before leaving for the road trip, for which I've already uploaded a video earlier. The link is there in the description box. FASTag, a very important thing to be remembered before leaving for the road trip. FASTag is a cashless toll payment system. It enables you to pass through the toll plazas without any cash transactions as the payment is done electronically. You can buy it online from any of the bank sites. I have a one from HDFC Bank. If you already have one, get it recharged. I use PayZap app to recharge it. Do not enter a FASTag lane without having sufficient balance in your card, or else you'll end up paying double the amount of toll. Next is the car's infotainment system and certain apps that needs to be downloaded before the journey. The importance of Google Map while driving on the unknown roads is all known to us.
In 600 meters, slight right to stay on National Highway 48.
And music and driving, they just go hand in hand. Various apps are available for the music. However, I downloaded Amazon Music and created some offline playlist to be played during the trip. I downloaded this Android Auto app which is compatible with the car's infotainment system and allows the map to be displayed on the screen. Do remember to carry the cord if the connection is a wired one. Let's see how it works. I have connected one end of the cord to the USB port of the car and the other end to the mobile phone, which is an Android one. Now on the screen, you can see it is saying as Android Auto connected. On clicking it, it gets connected to the Google Maps. In the search, by tapping on it, we can add the destination using the phone's keyboard. This is my destination for the day one of my road trip. Google Map is now available on the screen. Similarly, the music app also gets connected. Corona pandemic has made certain things essential that we should carry with us as we still need to be careful and stay safe during our trip. Carry with you an alcoholic based hand rub to sanitize your hands from time to time. This is a vaporizer for steaming. It's quite compact to carry. It was very helpful as in Kumbhalgarh the minimum temperature was around 4-5 degrees when we went in December 2020. Some extra set of masks as they are very crucial in protecting us from coronavirus. Always carry some basic medicines in your first aid kit. This is my kit which I always carry with me. It has some Eno pouches for instant relief from acidity, some band-aids, cotton, pudin hara to provide relief from stomach aches, a pain relief gel, a roll-on for relief from headache, some medicines that you take on a regular basis or some paracetamol tablets or any homeopathic medicine that you take. It's always good to carry some water bottles and food or snacks with you. Besides these water bottles, I always carry this Milton thermo flask filled with tea. If you are a tea or coffee lover, I will highly recommend it. It keeps the content hot for almost 24 hours, although tea is good to go for around 8 to 10 hours, after which its color and taste changes. During long road trips, these small tea breaks refreshes you for the onward journey. I carried homemade food for breakfast and lunch and also some snacks for the journey. Though food is easily available on the eating joints on the highways, I was just being extra careful due to the COVID conditions. Do remember to carry these clips with you, as once you open the packet of snacks, the remaining content loses their crispness. These clips are very useful in sealing the packets. If you're carrying the food, do carry the disposables also. All these disposables are made up of eco-friendly material. Also carry some tissues or wet wipes and some trash bags too. Clothes that we pack depends on the season in which we are traveling. As I traveled during the winter season, I packed a lot of jackets, sweatshirts, and woolen caps. Vacations are family bonding time, and games bond people of all the age groups together. These are the indoor games that I took with me: the Uno cards, Monopoly Deal, normal cards, Plot 4, Tic Tac Toe, our all time favorite Snakes and Ladder and Ludo, and this word formation game Upwards. If you're fond of reading books, do take them with you. These are the books which my son packed for himself. Do remember to carry these things as well and enjoy your trip. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell icon for notifications. We'll soon upload a video on packing list when traveling with kids. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.